Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on personalizing the Start menu on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Personalization from the left sidebar. In Personalization Settings, select Start. Here you can customize how your Start menu looks. At the top, you can adjust the layout to show more pins, more recommendations, or stick with the default. Below, you can use the toggles to adjust what items you want to see in your Start menu, such as recently added apps, most used apps, and more. You can also add folders to the Start menu. They will appear beside the power button. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.